Cik, euro masih kuat ke, cikgu? Ada soalan daripada Tuan Azwan.
Okay. Actually, euro, okay. Whenever we talk kuat ataupun lemah, we need to see on a which time frame or where we are referring to. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay, boleh nampak screen saya?
Sekejap. Okay, boleh.
Okay, I think this move for the last couple of months since the middle of last year, we have been talking about it. This move until from first we talked about 115, then 114, then 113, then 112. Now it's almost about 111. The bigger picture at this point, I think somewhere I mentioned it, either about 111.50 ataupun probably about 111. But it just short of almost about berapa pip? Dekat 10 pip je. Okay, untuk hit 111. Okay, tapi sebelum tu dia dah naik ke atas. Okay, this move, okay, initially this move we expected. Okay, because this is a pullback ataupun retracement, I mentioned it last week. Okay, which we expected. But this move is because of the ECB President Lagarde made a speech, so that push. Okay, this is where I might be a bit biased, but maybe technical trader tak setuju dengan saya. Okay, sama juga macam contoh masa NFP. Okay, why suddenly gold turun lepas data NFP and not because bila dia sampai 18.13 ataupun 18.20 baru dia turun, contoh. Okay, dia sampai ke 18.13 dekat gold and then dia turun lepas news. So that's why I always say fundamental always comes first. This is what move the market. Technical is just a level ataupun zone where people will come in to really look for the risk reward ataupun in a bigger lot size ataupun volume. Okay, so that's why the one moving the market is purely fundamental. Technical is just okay, kalau contoh kalau masa NFP, kalau gold duduk kat 18.20 ataupun 18.30, data NFP akan keluar, dia still akan push price tu. Jadi bukan price tu yang menjadikan dia turun. Sebenarnya data ekonomi ataupun data fundamental yang buatkan price. Okay, cuma kebetulan dia duduk ke 18.13, that's why turun. Kalau dia duduk ke 18.20 ataupun 18.30, still dia akan turun at least dalam $20 ataupun $50 sebab data NFP ataupun US job was quite good. Okay, so that's why I would say fundamental is the behind ataupun the driver. Okay, technical is just orang kata level. Okay, so similar to this EU, okay, we saw Lagarde, this was a pullback, okay, initial pullback, because this level, okay, this is where the technical level to certain extent comes in. This is the support that came in, so people was pushing the price, so this is a bit of a retracement. But at this point, okay, ECB president come in, okay, she made a speech regarding what might happen regarding the interest rate on the Eurozone, and also what they plan to do to contain the inflation, and what they plan to do, I think, what is it called? If I remember correctly, I think something is called PEPP, I think, purchase program. This sama macam QE dekat US, okay? So she made a few statements regarding this. So that's why Euro picked up and hence US dollar lemah. If you guys see Euro Chef, ini pair favorite siapa tu? Bull, okay? The move also, you guys can see why Euro was very strong against Chef, okay? After the statement. The initial move bounce is more of a technical level rebound ataupun price pullback ataupun retracement. So back to siapa tu, for the question whether Euro akan kuat, yes, the short answer right now, Euro very likely maybe dia akan buat satu retracement sedikit. We are expecting one more leg ataupun two more leg Euro untuk kuat. Sama ada dia pergi sampai let's say 115.50 ataupun close to about 116.50 ataupun 117. We are not sure, okay, but there is still few more move I'm expecting at least somewhere kat sini 116.50 to 117 this move before probably euro come down. That means similar move somewhere macam gold. Okay, we are expecting a bit of maybe 100 pips, 100 plus pip untuk euro. Tapi sama ada dia naik terus macam ni ataupun there is a bit of a pullback, come back test dekat 114 ataupun 113. Okay, that one we're not sure. So but I'm still expecting somewhere dekat sini you will come and test, and then later part whether come break this support to go lower ataupun dia test kat sini ada rejection, tak boleh nak break this support, then continue. That means this part might be sideways. I think about last week ataupun 2 weeks ago I mentioned euro, we are expecting a bit of a sideways for some time. So what I mentioned sideways is on a bigger time frame, somewhere within, I think I mentioned this level also, somewhere within about 115 to about 111 ataupun 112 punya zone. So this is about 300 pips ataupun 300 plus pip sideways we are expecting for Euro USD for some time. Unless ada breakout ke atas ataupun ke bawah at the later part around March FOMC. Okay, so March FOMC we might see a breakout ke atas ataupun from this resistance come back to break the support to go down. So somewhere towards March FOMC, we will see whether US dollar become very strong. Okay, if it's become very strong, if it's increased by 50 basis point, then this support will be taken to test at least to 111 ataupun 110, 50 to 110 zone, this zone. Okay, because longer term, I'm still expecting Euro USD to come to test this before maybe going up. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So